Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. Today, we're taking a trip around the globe to explore a crucial concept in international business, International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. Whether you're a curious student, an aspiring accountant, or a seasoned professional looking to expand your horizons, this video is your beginner's guide to IFRS. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the language of international financial reporting. A world of different languages. Why do we need IFRS? Imagine a scenario where every country has its own unique way of saying hello. Communicating would be a chaotic mess. Similarly, without standardized accounting practices, comparing the financial health of companies across different countries becomes incredibly difficult. Here's where IFRS comes in, a set of globally recognized accounting standards developed by the International Accounting Standards Board, IASB. These standards aim to bring consistency and transparency to financial reporting, acting as a common language for businesses operating internationally. Now, let's break down the key features and benefits of IFRS. 1. Principles-based approach. Instead of dictating every step, IFRS provides guiding principles and frameworks that companies can adapt based on their specific circumstances. This allows for flexibility and adaptability while maintaining consistency. 2. Widely adopted globally. Over 140 countries have adopted IFRS, making it the leading international accounting language. This widespread adoption facilitates cross-border investments and trade. 3. Increased comparability. Investors and analysts can easily compare the financial performance of companies operating in different countries using the same accounting language, leading to better decision-making. 4. Improved transparency. Consistent reporting practices enhance transparency and build investor confidence in global markets, ultimately promoting healthy competition and economic growth. 5. Reduced costs. Companies operating internationally can save time and money by complying with a single set of accounting standards instead of navigating different national regulations. Now we look at some of the challenges and considerations of IFRS. While IFRS offers numerous benefits, it's important to acknowledge some challenges. 1. Complexity. Implementing and interpreting IFRS can be complex and time-consuming, especially for smaller companies with limited resources. 2. Enforcement challenges. Ensuring consistent application of IFRS across various countries with diverse legal and regulatory systems can be challenging. 3. Differences from national standards. Transitioning from national standards to IFRS may require significant adjustments to accounting practices and systems. Now, let's explore the different types of IFRS. The world of IFRS is vast and encompasses various standards covering specific areas of financial reporting, including IFRS 1, first-time adoption of IFRS. This standard outlines the process for companies transitioning from national standards to IFRS. IFRS 2, share-based payment. This standard defines how companies account for employee compensation involving stock options or other share-based payments. IFRS 3, business combinations. This standard establishes the accounting treatment for mergers and acquisitions. IFRS 4, insurance contracts, superseded in 2023 by IFRS 17. This standard, while superseded, provides insights into how insurance companies previously accounted for their contracts. IFRS 5, non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operations. This standard outlines the accounting treatment for assets that are no longer intended to be used in the company's core operations. IFRS 6, exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. This standard defines how companies account for the exploration and evaluation of mineral resources. IFRS 7, financial instruments, disclosures. This standard establishes disclosure requirements for various types of financial instruments. IFRS 8, operating segments. This standard requires companies to report financial information by operating segment, providing insights into their different business lines. IFRS 9, financial instruments. This standard replaces previous standards and comprehensively addresses the accounting treatment of financial instruments. IFRS 10, consolidated financial statements. This standard defines how companies prepare consolidated financial statements when they control other entities. IFRS 11, joint arrangements. This standard establishes the accounting treatment for joint arrangements, where two or more parties jointly control an activity. IFRS 12, disclosure of interests in other entities. This standard defines disclosure requirements for a company's interests in other entities, including subsidiaries, associates, and joint ventures. IFRS 13, fair value measurement. This standard establishes a framework for measuring the fair value of assets and liabilities. IFRS 14, Regulatory Deferral Accounts. This standard defines the accounting treatment for certain regulatory deferrals recognized in some jurisdictions. IFRS 15, Revenue from Contracts with Customers. This standard defines how companies recognize revenue from various types of contracts. IFRS 16, Leases. This standard establishes the accounting treatment for both lease agreements and leased assets. IFRS 17, Insurance Contracts. This standard defines the accounting treatment for insurance contracts, replacing the previous IFRS 4. The list of IFRS standards is extensive and covers various aspects of financial reporting. You can learn more about each IFRS on the IAS Plus website. The link is given in the description box below. Key takeaway: understanding IFRS opens doors to a world of opportunities in international business and finance. Whether you're just starting your accounting journey or looking to expand your professional horizons, familiarizing yourself with these principles is a valuable investment. Feeling intrigued by the world of IFRS? Share in the comments below what specific standard or aspect of international accounting interests you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content to equip you for your accounting journey, wherever it may take you. Thanks for joining us. Remember, the world of international accounting awaits you, and IFRS is your key to unlocking its potential. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.